Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will try to solve a lead code problem of reversing a linked list. So this is the problem number 206. So as we can see from the statement here that we will be given the head of a singly linked list and we have to reverse the list and return the reversed list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the list that will be given to us and we have to return the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the reverse of it. So let's get into the implementation details for this. So when we talk about a linked list, so a linked list is a single direction list in which we can move towards only one direction. So normally each linked list is connected by a node. So node has two parts. The first part is the data part and the second part is the address to the next node that we have. And it is similar, it is like a chain all binded together. So here as we can see we have a linked list and the end value of this list will be pointing to the null. So that's how we identify that we have reached the end of the list. So in order to reverse it, the only issue is that we cannot traverse it back and we can only move into one direction. So in order to reverse this linked list we need to follow an algorithm. So basically we need to have three variables: next, current, and previous. So next will be containing the address of the next node. The current will be containing the address for the current node, and the previous will be the containing the address of the previous node that before the next node. So in so that we can follow to reverse it. Now let's see the code details for it and let's try to dry run, and then we will be running that into the lead code and see whether we are able to solve this problem or not. So this is the code part for it. So we have been given a list node. So this is the function that will be taking care of that. So we are initializing three values here, as you can see: prev, current, and next. So prev initial value is pointing to null. Current is pointing to the head that was given. So this is our linked list: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the current is pointing currently to 1, and the prev and next are pointing to null. So now we will run a while loop where current and the exit condition will be while current is not equal to null. So let's see the dry run for it. So we have three variables: next, current, and prev. So next currently has null. The current is pointing to head, which is value 1, and the prev also has null. So now we will go into the while loop. So while current is not equal to null, so as we can see the current value is not null, so we will enter the loop. Next equal to current dot next. So current dot next is 2. So we will put this value 2 here in the next. Now current dot next equal to previous. So if we see the currently the current is like this, as you can see here, it is pointing to 1, 2, 3, 4. So now current has 1. So 1 dash next will be null. So this will be the value of this. Now in the previous we will store the current. So previous will have, if you see, value 1 next to null. And now current will be equal to next. So next has value 2. So 2 is not just 2 value here, it's the complete list from here. So now it will be here we will update it with 2. So now again we will check current is not equal to null. Next equal to current dot next. So current dot next is 2 next 3. So it will go into 3. Again current dot next equal to previous. So now current dot next. So 2, 3. We can see the previous value is here. So here the current will become 2, 1, null. So again we will store this prev equal to current. So now this will be gone and you can see this is 2, 1, null. Again, same thing will run. Now we will be going towards current equal to next. It will go into 3. Again, current is not equal to null. So next will come as current dot next will be 4. Current dot next equal to previous. So in previous we can see that this is 2 arrow null is then current will be 3 arrow 2 arrow 1 null, and then again current will be equal to next. Then again same loop will run. Again here we will have 5, and again you can see this list is getting reversed. So by following this algorithm, finally we will be able to see that we got the value 5, and which will be stored in previous. So it will be here 5 arrow 4, 3 arrow 2 arrow 1. So this will be the reverse of the linked list, and the prep will be pointing towards this. So we just have to return our prep, which will be the node of the reverse linked list. So let's see this code into the lead code and see what is the space as well as time complexity for this. Now, as we can see that we have the same code here. So first we will be trying to run the base test. So the base test case has passed for everything. So now we will try to submit it. So as you can see, this has taken just 0 millisecond and it beats the 100% of users with Java, and the memory consumption is 42.5. So the runtime complexity here will be, since we are iterating through the all values of this list, so if there are n nodes, then the runtime complexity for this will be O of n, and the space time complexity will be constant since we are using the constant space here. So the space complexity of this will be O of 1. Uh, Thank you. If you have any question, you can post it as a comment in the in this video. And thank you for watching this. Uh, Please share, subscribe, and like my video. Thank you.